Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can turn off voice to text on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So right now if I simply open my keyboard, I'm going to open notes, and from here you can see this is my keyboard. Here you can see the voice to text option right here. So if I simply tap on it, now it will start to detect my voice and convert it to text. So if I simply tap on it and pause it, here you can see it has converted my voice into text. So if you want to turn this option off, what you're going to do is go back, get to the settings, and from your settings, simply tap on General. So from General here, if you scroll down, you can get the option of keyboard, tap on keyboard, and then keep on scrolling until you see the option of Enable Detection. So simply tap on this toggle button and simply turn off detection. Tap on turn off detection, and just like this you can turn off enable detection. So now what you're going to do is go back, and if I simply open the notes application again and open my keyboard, here you can see now the voice to text option on your iPhone is gone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.